This is my channel. It's my reaction to Death Battle. Ratchet and Clank versus Jack and Daxter. Or the other way around. And I know enough about both of these these four characters to get by. But I should see what I don't know about them. I've heard Ratchet and Clank are going to probably win, but since I know Jack and Daxter just a little bit more, I'm probably going to get rooting for Jack and Daxter. I guess we'll see though. Starting in 3, 2, 1, play.
This episode of Death Battle is brought to you by Angry Video Game Nerd 2 Assimilation. Play it right now!
Really?
We made it!
Ha!
Cool.
Sometimes the most unlikely of friends can become the best of heroes.
Yeah.
Ratchet and Clank, the Cosmic Commandos.
Ha.
And Jack and Daxter, the masters of eco.
Ha.
East, West, and I'm Boomstick.
Nice.
And it's our
Although
job to
Jack and
analyze
Daxter
their weapons, armor,
do
and
have
skills to
magic,
find out who would win
so
a death
well, at least
battle.
Jack has magic. Like Jack at least has some magic. So
The unstoppable
you know,
Fragmite Empire wreaked
could be
havoc
a
across the galaxy.
come from behind
Race
victory.
of unlikely heroes fought back. The Lombaxes, who may be some sort of lemur wombat.
Well, whatever they are, they're pretty good at kicking the shit out of Cragmites, and ended up stopping the Empire by banishing them to another dimension. Well, all except one. And boy, would that come back to bite him in the end.
Right? Why would you ever leave one?
The last Cragmite betrayed his foster Lombax.
Of course they would.
Raised an army of fish people, and in some sense of cruel ironic justice,
Ha.
banished the entire
Yep.
Lombax race to
Damn.
their own dimension as well.
You
And
never
just
leave
ironically missed
someone
one
alive.
who would prove to be his greatest adversary.
This lone Lombax
If you're truly
was
evil,
Ratchet,
you don't
and he
leave
spent
someone
most of
alive.
his days stranded on a random planet, dicking around with mechanical stuff and dreaming of one day
Ha.
exploring the galaxy.
Dead meat
So
by
this
Captain
alien
Quark.
kitty cat
Fuck that
thing
guy.
scrounged up all the scraps he
Ha.
could find, used his natural gift with machines, and built a spaceship so incredible it would finally take him off this boring planet.
And nope.
Oh,
Without an onboard robot ignition system, this hunk of junk would never fly.
and with Ratchet's luck,
Damn.
it's not like one was just gonna drop out of the sky or anything.
Ha ha ha.
Well, I'll be damned.
This was the SentryBot serial number XJ0461.
Well, that's hard to
Nicknamed
say in conversation, and he
Clank.
makes a clanky sound when he falls over, so...
Maybe I'll just call you
Haha.
Mike.
Clank had just been assembled maybe half an hour earlier and was
Ha.
already running for his life.
Yeah, see, he came from a robot-killing machine-making factory, but when the factory malfunctioned and made this
Ha.
little guy, it decided to scrap him for parts.
The
But
same with
actually, he got the hell out of
interdimensional
there,
being and a
ended up with Ratchet,
conveyor
and
belt?
together they became
What?
the greatest hero duo in the galaxy.
While they started out as an
Ha.
unlikely pair, they picked up all sorts of experience.
Oh, is
along
it
the
that
way.
rocket
Ratchet
launcher I've
has
heard
been
about?
trained as a commando and is proficient in martial arts, heavy weaponry, survival
Ha
skills,
ha.
and stealth.
Ballroom dancing
What?
and origami.
And despite his diminutive
What the hell?
size, Clank is an asset in combat as well. When paired with Ratchet, he can act as a personal helicopter or even a jetpack.
Also, turns out Clank wasn't a mistake after all.
He possesses the soul of a
Ho, ho, ho.
zone, energy-based creatures with the ability to manipulate time and be immune to time-altering effects.
Oh.
And eventually,
Damn.
these powers manifested in Clank as well.
That's right, he's a robo-time wizard.
Who did you
Damn.
say gave you this thing? The Sony. They are little invisible creatures who travel through time. Oh, right.
Haha.
Both Ratchet and
Wow.
Clank are loaded with nanotech, microscopic
Oh.
machines which
I didn't
instantly
know that.
repair their bodies after any
Cool.
injury, though their number is limited.
But Ratchet and Clank's true strength lies up
What
their
the fuck
arsenal.
is that?
Ratchet's packing your usual Solana-style
This is what the fuck
weaponry,
was
from his
that?
trusty Omni wrench to rocket launcher.
Explain.
But the real beauty lies in all his wacky weapons, like the Vortex Cannon, which sucks up tiny enemies and blasts them back out like little flaming meteors. The mini-turret glove can deploy
that's
dozens
cool.
of auto-targeting machine guns,
Liquid
which can destroy
nitrogen gun.
tanks.
Mr.
And of course, there's
The
also
I
the
know
disco ball,
5
which
the
forces
group
foes to
the
helplessly
sheep
dance
leader.
before them.
Ratchet's gadget
Damn.
also includes energy shields, close-range shredder claws,
Nice.
and a variety of drones to assist them in battle.
That's
He's even
awesome.
picked up a gun that
I
turns
kind of think they might
enemies
win.
into
Still
adorable
rooting, still rooting for Jack and Daxter though. It's that thing, the Rhino. Oh.
This beauty unleashes a glorious river of death in whatever direction
God
she's
damn.
facing. All set, Tchaikovsky's 1812 overture.
I'm honestly surprised you know how to say his name.
Oh yeah, the dude played my favorite musical instrument.
What? The piano?
No. Cannons.
Oh.
Anyway,
Oh my god,
their adventures,
I
Ratchet and
forgot
Clank
that
have done some pretty
that song
impressive
to be
things.
played
They were
with
skilled enough to win
cannons.
numerous gladiator battles,
He used
strong enough
cannons.
to stop the
I
blow
think
of
that's
a
true.
wargrog
It is
with
actually a
a
true thing.
omni-wrench,
Can
fast
Halo
enough to
jump without
dodge
parachute?
long-range laser fire, tough enough to survive an
And survive
explosive
crash
shipwreck,
landings.
and even the vacuum of space.
However, their ability to survive deadly blows
Really?
is entirely dependent on their supply of nanotech. If they run out of microbots, the next blow is sure to be fatal. But Ratchet and Clank's greatest strength doesn't come from any
It's the
outlandish
teamwork,
weapon or
right?
body-rebuilding nanomachine. Rather, it is their unbreakable bond of friendship. and
Yay! Friendship.
Oh god, that was so friggin' lame.
What's that? What?
Ah, nice. You're Jack and
Long
Daxter.
before the world bred life, it was filled with eco. Left behind by godlike beings called the Precursors, eco came in 6 different types, each possessing a different power. But what became of the Precursors? How did they harness the power of eco? The answers, they say, lie in the destiny of the mischievous teenage boy named Jack.
Jack.
Was born into royalty as the son of King
The real
Dumbass.
name is
Damas,
Mar.
Dumbass, ruler of Haven
Dumbass.
City. But Jack lost his future as heir to the throne when some douche named Baron Praxis overthrew his dad. The former king was separated from his son and banished to the wastelands, leaving Jack to grow up a wandering
I didn't
orphan.
know that.
Until he was taken in and raised by Samos, the elder of Sandover Village. Here, he met his best friend to be,
Okay.
Daxter.
Oh, I
God
don't know
damn
why
it.
he would ever want to be friends with a guy that never shuts up.
The sage yaps on about the precursors that built this place all the time.
The naughty Axel. Ah, done.
Before long, Jack and Daxter became inseparable and did just about all their teenage tomfoolery together. Like stealing a speedboat to explore the forbidden Misty Island.
What the hell?
Yeah, turns out it was forbidden for a pretty damn good reason.
Damn.
Man, that stung.
Oh no, he fell into the weasel pool!
Well, technically, he fell into a pool of dark eco, which transformed him into an Otzel. Whatever the hell that's supposed to be.
Ha. Damn.
Daxter took it pretty well, all things considered.
Yeah, all things considered. Yes, he took it pretty well. Yeah, I mean, all things,
By the way, where's
all
the
things
fun weasel?
considered. Consider.
It's not so simple. In order to reverse Daxter's transformation, they would have to find the Sage of Dark Eco.
Ooh.
To prepare
Okay.
them for this journey, Samos trained them to harness the power of eco and, in turn, to become formidable warriors.
With
Okay
green
then.
eco, Jack can restore
We'll use
lost
that
health
eco.
and create shields.
It's the one
With
reason
yellow
I think
eco, he
Jack
can
has a
launch energy
chance.
projectiles from his
I don't know if
hands.
it's a
Blue
good
eco doubles
chance,
his
but it's
speed
a
and
chance.
reflexes,
All
and
the
red
same.
eco does the same for his strength, allowing him to take down tough enemies with a single strike.
But when their tinkering with ancient precursor technology sent them tumbling into a dystopian future, it's a long story. Jack
What
was
the
captured
hell?
and experimented on by Baron Praxis, who wanted to turn him into a super soldier.
Too bad he didn't really know what he was doing, and poor Jack was stuck as his lab rat for 2 straight years, until Daxter finally busted him out. Jack was so happy, he spoke his first words ever. I'm gonna kill Praxis. Oh, my first words were fear. Now,
Wow.
Unbeknownst to Praxis,
Really?
while his experiments failed to turn Jack into Captain America, they did grant him the ability to consume Dark Eco and temporarily transform into the mighty Dark Jack.
Dark Jack
Damn.
used Dark Eco for a bunch of powerful projectiles.
Yeah, that's where the short
and he can
PSP
even
game
triple in
ended for
size and
Daxter.
strength.
Daxter
On top
saving
of that,
Jack.
Dark
And then,
Jack is also
and
completely
then pretty sure the
invulnerable.
second game starts immediately after.
Forgot what I taught you, Jack.
If one super form wasn't enough, enough, Jack gave
Nice.
another when he came face to face with the precursors themselves. And turns out they're all Otzels like Daxter.
Wow.
Oh my god.
They gave him
Ha.
the ability to consume
God damn it.
Eco in order to counterbalance the darkness within.
Ho ho
Never
ho.
guess what they called it. Give up, it's like Jack.
In this form, Jack can glide through
Ha.
the air, create a force
Nice.
field, regenerate from wounds, and even freeze time itself.
When there's
Ooh,
not
2
enough
transformations.
light ego on hand to run around
Oh.
blasting people with godlike energy,
Okay.
Jack wields one
He
of the most
might win.
versatile weapons ever created, the morph gun.
Depending
Powered
on
by
certain
different types of eco,
certain
it can
things,
work
so.
like a shotgun, grenade launcher, or minigun.
Cool.
It can fire
That's
ricochet
awesome.
laser shots,
Oh my
homing
god,
needles,
what?
tent, even freaking lightning.
And
What
when
the
Jack
fuck?
sets the morph gun to mass inverter mode, it can blast
Damn.
out dark eco so absurd it
Huh.
alters the very laws of gravity on anybody within
Nice.
its reach.
Yeah, but if that fails, they can just blast them with a supernova. It basically one-shots about
Really?
anything.
Damn. What the shit?
This place has too much excitement. We need
Damn.
to go back to the country.
Ha. Wow.
Armed to the teeth with weapons and eco, Jack and Daxter successfully dethroned Praxis and saved Haven City thanks to several impressive
Ho
feats.
ho ho ho.
Like getting up no
Damn.
problem after being crushed in a cave-in, or tearing through solid metal doors
Ha.
like wet paper.
Damn.
Daxter
That's
helps when
awesome.
he can, usually by steering missiles into people, but most of the heavy lifting is done by Jack.
Like the one time
Ho-ho.
he did this.
Damn.
Jack and
What the
Daxter
hell?
are incredibly resourceful. They won a gladiator-style battle with nothing but an unmodified morph gun.
Really?
And their drive to win is so strong
Damn.
they even took first in the Grass City Grand Championship while poisoned.
Even giant
What
terraforming robots
the
trying
hell?
to destroy the world fall to
Oh
their
my
death,
god.
provided they have enough ego.
They can only carry so much eco at
Huh.
once, roughly under a minute's worth of combat for each color type, and so they rely on
Ooh.
replenishing their power by pulling eco from
Okay.
the environment. Also,
So there's-
Jack can be a bit reckless
There
and
are
uses almost
ways
anything.
Jack and Daxter could
Even
lose,
still,
and
don't
ways
underestimate
Ratchet
the duo
Clank
of
could,
Jack
could
and
lose.
Daxter. It's
So,
the last thing
okay.
a lot of bad guys ever did.
pretty evenly matched in my opinion. I don't know too much about it though. Damn. Let's see.
All right, the
Do,
combatants are
do,
set.
do,
Let's
do,
end this
do.
debate once and for all.
But first, remember that game we told you about last time? You can buy it now.
Thanks for telling us. It's
The
real.
Nerd is
Okay.
back on an adventure through 22 levels full of new weapons, enemies,
22.
and power-ups
Okay,
with
then.
unlockable armor upgrades, epic
Cool.
bosses, and of
That's
course
really
all
cool,
the
though, at
foul-mouthed
least.
carnage old school
Ha.
platforming action you could want. Angry Video
The
Game
hell
Nerd
is that?
2 Assimilation is available right now on Steam for
Ha.
PC, Mac, and Linux. So what are you waiting for? Go pick it up. But right now, it's time for a
Death Battle! Nice. Do. Oh, it's 3D. Cool. Do 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 do. Oh, this song now. Bring it up.
That's the last time I let Quark fix the warp system.
Actually,
Really?
weren't you the one who overclocked the accelerator?
Huh. This is new. Hey, do you have any idea what you've done?
Yeah, hey guys, welcome to our home. Make yourself comfortable on the couch. If you can find what's left of it.
Damn.
This isn't so bad.
Oh.
I can fix that.
I'm very sorry for your loss, Mr. Weasel.
Whist. Well, looks like it's us who leave to fix you.
Oh. Damn it. Let's see who wins.
One more for your mama.
Damn.
Get him, Jack.
Damn. Holy. Oh, hoverboard.
Get a load of this.
Oh, is that the... Damn.
Fuzzball! You're pissing me off! I got him!
Wait, who's doing the voice?
Lucy!
No. You're done for.
Nice.
Watch out. Can't keep up.
Nice.
Rest in pieces.
Rust in pieces? Really?
Whoa! Ratchet!
Nice. Okay, let's see who wins though. I can use the Rhino to win. The Rhino 5000 to win.
Let's try this!
With the Rhino. With those turrets.
Any more weapons you want to throw at me? I think I need any more.
Let's get transformed now. He might win because he also has light track.
Ratchet, behind us! Now what?
Damn.
Get him, Jack!
Da 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 da. Damn. He's gonna turn to light track and win, right? Or is he gonna lose now? Let's see who wins this. It's Jack. I don't know, and nope. It's gonna be Ratchet and Clank, isn't it? Yep. Lost. Damn. And the fucking rainbows.
And curtain.
Damn. Nice.
Oh, not the weasel guy.
Ha.
Jack and Daxter were formidable fighters, especially
What
when
is
they
he
had a
next,
team
though,
on
now?
hand. But Ratchet and Clank's
interesting.
better teamwork,
That was
superior
a great
defenses,
fight,
and
though.
overwhelming
So I'm
arsenal
fine with,
trumped them
and
in the
this
end.
is the outcome's
Well, they
good.
both had
The
ways
outcome's
to
good
patch
though.
themselves up. Ratchet's nanotech was way more reliable and plentiful than Jack's green eco.
And Ratchet's shields and incapacitated weaponry were more than enough to put a stop to Jack's more offensive eco.
Haha, take that,
Huh.
nature!
Yay.
While Jack and Daxter's morph gun was one of
Really,
the most
broomstick?
versatile weapons we've ever
What's wrong
seen,
with you?
it absolutely
I
pales
mean,
in
he
comparison to the sheer size
I think we
and
know what's
power
wrong with him.
of Ratchet and Clank's arsenal.
Jack's best shot was his dark form.
kind of an
Unlike
asshole.
everything Jack and Daxter had, it didn't take long to run out of juice. Well, Ratchet and Clank had more than enough gadgets and weaponry to keep up the fight.
Plus, Clank is an infinitely more capable
Huh.
sidekick than Daxter,
Ooh.
especially in his time manipulation and immunity powers.
It was game over
Really?
for Jack and Daxter.
Game overture?
Winners are Ratchet and
Really,
Clank.
broomstick? Really?
Next
Let's
time
see.
on
The play I
Death
show.
Battle.
Only one combatant, but let's see. The Flash versus Quicksilver. But Quicksilver will just immediately lose. I'm sorry, but Quicksilver can't beat Barry. Like he can't. Like he physically can't beat Barry at his peak strength. Quicksilver, right? Quicksilver. I know it's Quicksilver. I know it's Quicksilver. Do not even try to tell me it's not Quicksilver.
Next episode early by signing
I'm not
up for
gonna
a
watch it again.
sponsorship if you don't have one already.
Hmm.
You can
So this is the worst.
even a 30-day free trial. Nice. Then you get to see Flash.
Okay, no.
versus-
Is it-
You can find
Oh
out
my god,
by
that was
racing
worth the
on
Todd
over
Haber
to
Club. Holy
Get
shit.
That Screw Attack on Twitter, official SA on Facebook.
Go
Thank you
Todd.
so much for watching the video. Like, subscribe, and check
he's totally facing off against Quicksilver, right? Or is there someone else who's super fast that I can't remember right now? Maybe, but I'm pretty sure he's going to fight Quicksilver. And I know the Flash, and I know Quicksilver, and I know that Quicksilver has more limits than Flash does, at least in terms of overall speed. So I'm relatively sure Flash is going to win. Sorry, Quicksilver, you just can't beat the Flash. I'm pretty sure they've done before in like crossover comics. I'm pretty sure. And Flash always wins because the Flash is just physically faster than Quicksilver, at least as peak strength. And like if they're going to go for his peak strength, so definitely Flash is going to win. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like the video. And for my outro, my favorite anime reviewer, Just Otaku, sayonara, bye-bye. You can also find me on Patreon and Twitter in the links in the description.